What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to cartoon your picture on clipstudio Paint. If you want, for example, of an avatar, a profile picture, you just want something. You want to acquire a new skill, or you want something to build in range of your friend. I'm going to show you how to do it today. So, once you open clipstudio, what we're going to do is first, you're going to make a new file, right? We're going to make a new file. Going to make a new file, which files, new, and then you select your canvas. I'll go with 4,000, or you can actually get 3,000 if you're not trying to actually paint it to that extent that you need serious details. But actually, I'm not going to paint to that serious detail. I'm just trying to tell you what to do if you want hard. If I've been drawing for some time, you actually see that the rules have almost so cheap for everybody. For not that it's actually the same, but it has this. Everybody has that whole in the room, so you can actually know how to go about. So I'll something like this. And all with you, it's guys, wizard tool, tools, size, erase it. Something like this. So you can see, as long as you're drawing on a new layer, not on this layer, you can have something like this. So let me pick back. See, if I say I already goes in my eye, one thing actually like that. So from here, you can just continue on reaching your lines and we'll just speed up from here. Yeah, I can also use the fill to directly animate. See, those feelings like this. So to get the, honestly, to get that fit on the hair, just like how I'm not doing it on my picture. Once you use a result tool, you can select which one you want. Now, let us do it on the so. See, just do it carefully so actually just fade so that you can see actually feeding it. So what you're going to do, just select back your brush and can just go back and draw the outline close there. So you see I actually got some what I want here. Try to use the chill tool for the beers tool. So to get that pierce, so actually wise, you can actually use this tool here. The blend tool. Select the blend tool and sorry. Let me see to this one, yeah, this one. So they reduce the size and make like this, which helps you raise the PS. So making the outline on different, like this outside on a different layer is going to help us to feel it at once instead of using a tool like this. Let's see, a tool like this here. Let's come on with it. Let me select the body color that I use for an rate is fucking slow. Instead of coming to paint, let me just try over. Instead of painting like this and then having the issue of this, I think I have to close here.